If you've ever undone something in Lucidchart and immediately wished you could bring it back, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to redo in Lucidchart quickly and easily using both the keyboard shortcut and the on-screen button. This is a super useful skill when you're building diagrams, flowcharts, mind maps, org charts, or any kind of visual document because it helps you move faster and fix mistakes without losing your progress. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lucidchart and software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your Lucidchart canvas is active. This is an important step because keyboard shortcuts only work properly when Lucidchart is ready to receive input. So click anywhere on your diagram, on a shape, or on the blank canvas area to activate the workspace. Once the diagram is selected and the page is active, you're ready to redo the last action you undid. Now let's go with the fastest method, which is the keyboard shortcut. If you are on Windows, press Ctrl+Y. That is the standard redo shortcut in Lucidchart for Windows users. If you're on a Mac, press Command+Shift+Z. That's the Mac redo shortcut, and it will bring back the most recently undone action. This can be anything from deleting a shape, moving an object, changing a connector, or adjusting text. It's the quickest way to recover work without searching through menus. If you press the shortcut and nothing happens, double check that Lucidchart is active and that your browser isn't capturing the shortcut for something else. Also, make sure you haven't clicked outside the document. Once the canvas is selected, the shortcut should work smoothly. In most cases, one quick key press is all you need to restore your action. Now let's look at the second method, which is using the on-screen redo button. This is great if you don't want to use the keyboard or if you're just starting out with Lucidchart. Look toward the bottom right area of the interface, just below the file name. There you should see the undo and redo arrows in the toolbar. The redo icon is the curved arrow that points forward. Click that redo arrow once and Lucidchart will reapply the most recent action you undid. This is especially helpful if you want a visual way to work, or if you've undone multiple steps and want to carefully bring one back at a time. It's simple, intuitive, and perfect for beginners. The redo button gives you the same result as the shortcut, just in a more visual format. Here's a quick tip. Undo and redo work together, so if you undo something by mistake, don't panic. Just use the redo shortcut or the redo arrow to restore it. This makes editing in Lucidchart much less stressful because you can experiment freely and reverse changes when needed. That's one of the reasons Lucidchart is so useful for planning and collaboration. So to recap, there are two easy ways to redo in Lucidchart. On Windows, use Ctrl+Y. On Mac, use Command+Shift+Z. Or if you prefer, click the redo arrow in the bottom right toolbar next to undo. And remember, your canvas needs to be active for the shortcut to work correctly. If this video helped you learn how to redo in Lucidchart, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. It really helps the channel and it lets me keep making quick step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.